Hi. Are you enjoying our app VisPlan in Microsoft Teams? We would love to hear your feedback and review on Microsoft AppSource. Your review will help other users discover the value of our app. Here's how you can leave a review for VisPlan on Microsoft AppSource. In your web browser, visit the Microsoft AppSource website at appsource.microsoft.com. Be sure to be logged into your Microsoft account. Search for VisPlan. Click the result. Go to the Ratings and Review tab. If the Write a Review button is disabled, click Get It Now. And fill in your details to share with Microsoft and click Get It Now again. You can abort the download and go back to VisPlan's page on Microsoft AppSource. The Write a Review button should be enabled now. Click Write a Review. Give VisPlan a rating and describe how VisPlan has helped your planning, improved collaboration, or enhanced productivity. Please describe the features you found most valuable. The rating and review will help others gauge the quality and usefulness of VisPlan. Your feedback matters, and we appreciate your support. Thank you for being part of our journey.